Good morning. It is 8:45. It is 8:45. Quad's fired up, ready to go. I spent the last 3 weekends, every Saturday and a little bit of Sunday, to working on it to get it running so that I could go today. It's looking to be a beautiful day out. Got blue skies, the sun shining. Like I'm hoping it's gonna be fucking beautiful. Quad's all fired up and going. I just gotta load up, go drive by Mike, and then go from there. But it's gonna be a great day of quadding. I'm excited. Long day, and well, fingers crossed, no problems. But yeah, I'm gonna get this thing loaded up and probably see you guys at the farm.
Too far away. It's much too early, or it's far too late. Maybe I'm too old now, or just afraid that you'll walk away. Too close, but too far away. It's much too early, or it's far too late. Maybe I'm too old now, or just afraid that you'll walk away. You're across the room from me, but it's an ocean wide, and the current's pulling us, dragging me aside. Or you're a constellation, and I'm just a star, blinking in the universe, but you'll never notice me at all.
Nice.
they're putting up the flags. Whoa. Yeah.